Hi everyone, my name is Shikha Dua. Today is day 13 of my CTM Skin Challenge. We are doing today tomato brightening and whitening mask. Today I am making brightening and whitening mask. I have taken 2 teaspoons of tomato pulp, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour which is maida, and 1 teaspoon of fresh cream which is malai. I'll mix all of them together and make a nice paste. This is for normal to dry skin. And my pack is ready. The consistency will look something like this. Brightening and whitening mask for normal to oily skin. I have taken 2 teaspoons of tomato pulp, 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour which is besan, and 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Tea tree oil you can add, it is optional. 4 to 5 drops if you have active acne and your skin is acne prone. I have mixed all the product together, and after mixing the consistency will look something like this. Tomato is having vitamin C in it. It removes your dead skin cells. It promotes your collagen and elastin into your skin. It neutralizes your oil. It closes your open pores, of course, with over the period of time. If you will do this mask regularly on your face, maybe thrice a week, then you will see the noticeable change in your skin. It has anti-aging effects as well. So if your skin is aging, you are seeing those fine lines and wrinkles onto your skin, this pack is definitely for you. So come on, let's do it together. Take out your face wash. The face soap product I'm using today, I have normal to dry skin, and it's called Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. So take out your face wash and start using it on your face the way I have explained you. This much quantity is more than enough. Now I'm applying it on my full face, rubbing it in between my hands, and I'm massaging onto my face now. In upward movements, as you all know, today is day 13, so I guess everyone is happy with their skin. And remember each and every step. For those who have joined for the first time, it's their first day. Guys, I'm only massaging my face cleanser onto my face. Never ever avoid your neck. Always massage your product in upward movements. Massage on your forehead as well. Never take your face wash very close to your under eye area or on your eyelid area. I'm done. If you are also done, please go and wash your face. I've washed my face. Now I'm using face tissue. You can use face towel as well, but be gentle onto your skin. Don't stretch your skin. Don't rub your skin. Always use dabbing movements. Look at the way I'm using it. So I'm done. Please take out your toners. I'm using this product today from the Face Shop. It's called Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. You can take the toner and you can rub it in between your hands and start dabbing. If you don't have cotton pad or cotton ball, if you have cotton pads or cotton ball, put your toner on top of it and then start dabbing onto your full face, and never ever avoid your neck. Today I am showcasing you how I am using this particular toner. I am taking around 5 to 7 drops in my hand, this way. Then I am just rubbing the toner in between my hands and dabbing it onto my skin. You can take rose water as well. Rose water is a natural toner. And if you have a normal to oily skin, you can also use astringent. After applying and dabbing your product onto your skin, let it dry on its own. So I'm done with my toner. Now I'm allowing it to dry for good 1.5 minutes, and then I'll apply my face mask today on top of it. Get your face mask ready. I've kept my face mask in the refrigerator for good 10 to 15 minutes so that it can give me that cooling and refreshing effect. So here is my face mask. The consistency of your face mask should be something like this. It should not be very runny. It should not be very thick. Take out your face pack brush. If you don't have this particular brush, you can use any brush. And if you don't have any kind of brush, just take your finger, and with the help of your fingers, you can apply your face mask in upward strokes. So let's get started. Start applying your face pack in upward movements. This face mask will really help in removing your tan, your sun tan. It has tremendous vitamin C in it. This pack will give you an anti-aging effect because it has vitamin C in it. It also tightens up our pores. If you have open pores, it will tighten up your pores, but you have to use this mask on a regular period of time. Maybe twice a week or thrice a week if you have open pores.
Nupur here.
Yeah, Nupur, tell me.
You tell lots of different masks, and each and every mask gives a different effect, and really very good and amazing. Which one is the best? I personally like coffee, tomato, and muskmelon. But every mask gives soothing effect, refreshing effect, amazing.
सबको यही मजा आ रहा है, बट नुपुर देखो कोई भी एक चीज मेरी फेवरेट तो नहीं हो सकती. मेरी बहुत सारी चीजें फेवरेट है, बट as of now I felt that I loved mango mask, watermelon mask, and I loved coffee mask as of now. And my skin was so much hydrating because I have normal to dry skin. So people must be telling or thinking about it that Chika, no, I felt some other pack which was really good on my skin, because every skin type is different. So every pack will give you a refreshing effect, a glowing effect, and they will act on your skin differently. You know, because ingredients are different, skin types are different.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm applying my mask onto my neck as well, and I always say never ever avoid your neck. Guys, you all must be thinking that what are these small seeds into my mask? My mask is absolutely fine. This is organic honey seeds. तो मैंने आज जो शहद डाला है उसमें ये seeds थे, इसीलिए आप ये seeds देख पा रहे हैं. Nothing else. बाकी मेरा मास्क बिल्कुल ठीक बना है.
Can you see the consistency of my mask? Because I think it's too watery, or is it okay? Because I can see your mask is very thick.
No, it's fine. It's little thin, but it is absolutely fine. It will give you benefits. Start on applying it. It's okay.
Yeah, I have applied and it's not dripping also. Then it's okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm having little bit of itchiness on this part.
What all ingredients you have mixed?
For dry skin, I have mixed the tomato, the pulp, honey, and that maida.
So maybe you are allergic to honey. Before trying all these masks, guys, you should always do a patch test behind your neck. Yesterday, I got a message that someone was allergic to gram flour and they never knew it. But after seeing my YouTube video, they got to know that they have to do a patch test behind their ear. And she got to know that, you know, she's allergic to this particular ingredient called gram flour. So, darling, before applying it onto your face, you should always do a patch test behind your neck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, guys, my pack has already dried 50%. So, I'm going to wash it off. I would suggest you all to go and wash your pack now. So, I washed my pack and my skin is feeling really soft and supple. I'm taking my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. Take out your moisturizer. Rub the product in between your hands so that your product is very warm. Never ever avoid your neck. Whether you have normal to dry skin or normal to oily skin, acne prone skin, combination skin, you should never ever avoid this step called moisturizing. If you have normal to oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, try and use water-based moisturizer on your face. Yesterday, I received a message. I don't remember the name of that particular girl. She was asking me that, can I use body lotion onto my face? No, guys, you can't use body lotion as a moisturizer. Moisturizer is a different product. Body lotion is a different product. Moisturizer, face moisturizers have different consistency and different ingredients. Body lotions have different ingredients and different consistency, and they are meant for your body. Body lotions are meant for your body. Face moisturizers are meant for your face. So please try and avoid body lotions onto your face. So I've applied my moisturizer. Now it's the turn of one of my favorite product, which is from Kiehl's, and it's called Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Take out your under eye cream, please. I'm taking the product on my ring finger, applying it in small dots, even on my eyelid area. And then I'm starting with my dabbing technique. Always use ring finger because it has lightest pressure. Never ever avoid your under eye area. After this, I'm using my Inatur lip balm in lemon. So please take out your lip balms and start applying it. It comes in two variants. One is strawberry and one is lemon. So whatever variant you feel like, you can buy it. So I am done, and you can see my skin. My skin is not at all feeling stretchy. It's absolutely soft. It's absolutely supple. I hope the same for you. So if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me now.
I've just used the tomato pack right now. It was very chilled. It's smelling so good. I hope the consistency is fine.
Yes, consistency is absolutely fine. It's not at all runny. It's not at all very thick. It's very good.
Okay. And it's little bit itchy to me.
Yes,
Little bit
yes.
itchy.
Yes, because I was also feeling a little tingling effect on my skin because it has vitamin C, and Tani, it removes the tan. It has bleaching agent into it, and it will give you, it will remove your dark spots as well. Even it works on our pigmentation, on our blemishes too. So if you're having a little bit itchy effect or you have a little tingling effect, it's absolutely fine, because I and you fall under the category of normal to dry skin. So maybe because of that we get the effect.
So natural bleach, huh?
Yes, natural bleach.
Because I'm waiting for the bleach from you.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ask
Will
me.
you take up the sessions for hair as well in the upcoming days?
Oh, I never thought of it, darling, as of now. Maybe I'll give it a thought. So let me think about it.
Yeah.
Let me give it a thought, and I will let you know. Okay?
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you.
I've just received this product. आपको देखकर मैंने ये buy करा है. I don't know how to use it. Please tell me. Just delivered.
It's an amazing product. I use their eyelashes as well. I use Hydra Elixir. It's a basically hydrating treatment. Yes, it's a hydrating treatment. Sometimes if you don't have your oil, darling, you can use this hydrating treatment instead of your Milagro oil. आपकी स्किन में स्टिल आपको लगता है कि वो पैचीनेस है, व्हाइट कलर की फ्लेकीनेस हो रही है, तो आप मिलाग्रो ऑयल के बाद या किसी भी एसेंशियल ऑयल के बाद आप हेना का हाइड्रा एलेक्सर ट्रीटमेंट यूज कर सकते हो. इट इज वेरी गुड. यस कामना, टेल मी.
मेरा पिगमेंटेशन भी मुझे काफी था, बट इट्स बीन जस्ट 6 days आपके पैक्स यूज किए हुए, बट आई कैन सी द रिजल्ट्स. टुडे माय हस्बैंड गिव मी द कॉम्प्लीमेंट कि इट्स वर्किंग. सो मैंने कहा you should also try. So I thought that I should tell this. But now I just want to ask that can I use tea tree oil at that overnight on my scars or just small acne?
Yes, you can, but don't apply it directly on
Dilute.
your skin. You can dilute it with water and then apply it on your active acne.
Thank you. That's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Shikha, thank you so much. Your packs are doing wonders. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling.
Can you teach bleach lessons as well?
Yes. So, okay. I'll do it maybe in a day or two. So I'm planning to do a bleach session very soon with you guys. How to apply bleach on your face, what all precautions, what are do's and don'ts of a bleach, which is a chemical on your face. So don't worry, get your bleaches ready, and I'll tell you when I'm doing that particular session. Second most important thing I want to share it with you, that I'm going to tell you how to do avocado mask and how to do strawberry mask, which are really good, which are skin food to our skin.
I just want to know about this under eye gel cream. Any review do you have?
From Kocher, and this is an amazing product. I have used it in the past, and it's nice. You can use it.
And it's a gel base, but I have a normal to dry skin, so still I can use this.
Yes, you can.
Gel based creams are only for oily, I think, so that is why I'm asking.
No. If they are for your face, then they are for your normal to oily skin or for your combination skin. But if a company has made a particular product in a gel form for your under eye area, so they have definitely taken care of your under eye treatment or for your under eye problems, and then they have made or developed that kind of product. So
Yes, thank you.
Actually, I want to know that you told about makeup remover towels. They are reusable?
yes, they are reusable for 100 times. You can wash them
Okay.
and you can use them.
Secondly, you were sending the details of your makeup classes. You didn't send.
As Nupur told me that I never sent any detail about my personal makeup workshop. So whoever is interested, do let me know and I'll send you the details. When am I gonna start this personal makeup workshop? What I'll be teaching, what all I'll be teaching in this personal makeup workshop. Everything you wanna ask, you can ask me and I'll send you all the details. This is my personal makeup workshop curriculum. I will share everything with you guys. It starts like this. So I teach all these particular things in my personal makeup workshop. I'll share my PDF with you guys if that is possible. And you'll get to know what I'll be teaching in my personal makeup workshop.
मैंने कभी under eye cream कभी use नहीं किया है, so which one I should buy?
You can buy Kiehl's, KIEHL''S. It's a very good skincare brand, but it is little heavy on pocket. If you want to start and you haven't applied any under eye cream as of till now, so you can take Inatur under eye cream, which is very easy on pocket. It is for 400 rupees. I guess I'm getting my own under eye cream tomorrow or day after, so I'll show you that particular product.
Sure. Okay, thank you. मेरे को आज बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लो और बहुत वाइटनिंग लग रहा है, so I'm really happy. अब मैं आपको सेल्फी भेजूंगी, ऐसे like बत्ती से निकल रही है. I'm really happy.
I'm so happy.
मैं पता नहीं क्या, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Tomato वाला was really nice. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy that you can feel that. I can see Sumiti is also, shining, and you are also so shining, glowing. So my God, I'm so happy that my girl gang is so happy. So thank you. I think so that, you all have made my day by telling me that how good my DIY homemade recipe masks are.
I was saying that I did a Katori wax on my forehead, and as you can see, I have a little thin scars came out. What should I apply after using a Katori wax on forehead?
Ice.
If you get certain
ice.
And how many times should I do?
Thrice
a day.
Yes. Put fresh aloe vera gel and add a little bit of water and make them in a form of an ice cube. Start rubbing those ice cubes whenever you are planning to do this wax. Try and use, darling, Brazilian wax instead of Katori wax.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you have liked this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Whatever query you have in your mind, आप जाइए comment section में लिखिए and मैं definitely वहाँ पे जाके उसका answer दूंगी. Last but not the least, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading my video, you will be the first one to get the notifications and you will never miss out any of my video. So do not forget that. Take care of yourself. Bye. Have a nice day.